i35equipment.com. This is an XCMG XE210CU hydraulic track excavator, stock number 128. This machine does have the hydraulic thumb, fantastic for pulling trees, sorting scrap, wooden boulders, and just about everything else. Welcome you to come look this machine out for yourself. If you'd like a on-quote, fill out the form, website, call, text, or email. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'll share your full delivery address with us, we'll share it with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back to the best rate that comes back to us. We do send equipment all over the country, so getting this machine shipped to you should not be an issue. We welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Also, our specialty here is consignment sales. So if you or someone you know has idle head equipment, just call to get on the calendar. Happy to talk to you, or you can fill out the form on our website. We'll share that information with you about our consignment sales service. We do have folks all over the country looking for good ready-to-work equipment. We can help you get your machinery sold. This machine does have that Cummins diesel. A lot of good power. No DEF required, which is always a great feature. Switchable control patterns, full cab with air conditioning and heat. That bucket does have 3 teeth. He's operating that hydraulic thumb for you right now. Really nice because it folds up against the stick there for transportation, so you can get your bucket folded up and your stick folded up. That way, if you need to get your arm down the ladder for transportation, or if you're just going to do digging and you want unhindered digging, you can get that thumb up out of your way. All right, we'll let him get it parked. We're going to take a look around, and we'll hop up in the operator station last. Thumb does have 4 serrated teeth on it. Get a nice good grip on whatever you're going for. Also has that rear hoop. You can hook up a chain for pulling, lifting, and loading. Nice and dry in there. Looks just the way you'd like to have it. Kawasaki KPM pump. Full cab, glass all looks good. Sunroof there, looks good. Still have handed safety rails on here. Bars underneath. Looks nice and dry. Not seeing any leaks from the motor. Go ahead and shut this cab so we can look in here. Pattern out to that fisheye lens to give you a good view of the interior. It does have the factory XCMG format as well as the XCMG factory seat. This one's currently sitting at 27:05 hours. The next feature is you can hit the button here to self-diagnosis. No issues, no codes. Throttle, lights. It is pre-plumbed in case you wanted to add a quick attach system. It's already gonna have your switches here. It doesn't have that, but if you wanted to, it's already got your switches. Real nice feature. Here's a legend showing you the two different control patterns. Also, where you should check your fluids and at what hours. And this is your capacities for lifting. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video was beneficial to you. If you have any questions, give us a call. 405-833-6437. One other thing, horn's gonna be here. Your thumb control is gonna be your buttons here. I'll just go ahead and lift up on your safety so I can show you that. See, that's coming down. And this one's gonna bring it back up. It also does have a factory pedal, which would be utilized for a single flow hydraulic attachment. So if you ever wanted to add, for example, maybe a hammer or something else, you can use that control pedal. Anyway, appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope you have a wonderful day.